What's up, YouTube? So, guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about the stock market, how you can make money in the stock market both ways, and the strategy that I'm using, and I'm continuing to making money in the stock market no matter what the stock market is doing. So, let's jump right into the video.
Hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm.
The first thing you want to do, guys, is option. Option is a great way to grow your portfolio and continue to generate wealth in the stock market. So it have European options and it have United States, US options. So you have to formalize yourself with these types of options because one you could sell at any given time, and the next one you have to sell on the date of the expiration. So right now, I have only one option, option call for a seller option call for OCGN. I'm waiting for OCGN to go back up a little bit more so I could get a higher premium in the option field because OCGN is very volatile. If you understand the company and what they're all about, they're not gonna increase in price anytime soon. So I'm taking advantage of that to sell out of the money options and take the premium and invest it in my long-term portfolio. So that's a strategy. I'm continuing to do it. I missed out today because I didn't have a chance to buy some calls. I see the market rally up a little nicely today. I wanted to buy some calls like for a month out because I know you're gonna see a next boom next month in the stock market, and I would have locked in profit off of option. The next thing you want to do, guys, is evaluate your portfolio. This is a great time when you see the market is crashing like this. It's a great time to evaluate your portfolio and know exactly what you're investing in. Do some research, guys. Do some research on the companies that you're investing in. If you're planning to hold them for the long term, make sure you understand the fundamental. Make sure they have substantial cash on hand if anything happen. You want to understand the business of the company. If you don't have time to all that, just don't pick a stock because everyone is saying to pick that stock, guys. If you want to be on the safe side, you could go into some S&P or index fund, pick up some bonds. But if you want to be a stock picker, guys, you want to invest in at least 50% growth, 40% dividends, and 10% bonds. And you'll see a buffer in your portfolio down till the market is crashing, and you'll get a passive income every single month. That's why I love dividend stock. So my portfolio is 84% stock, 3% crypto, and 1% option, guys, because I'm currently just have one option trade in my portfolio right now. If the market goes up, rally up a little bit more on OCGN, I'm gonna place 3 more option calls in OCGN, and I'm gonna continue that cycle taking that premium. Last month I made over $1,000 in OCGN option play, and I invest that money back. I don't take any money out of the stock market, guys, because I want to reinvest in those take that money and reinvest into my long-term portfolio. But just be aware, don't if you don't take the money out of the stock market, you will have to pay that capital gain tax. So be aware of that, guys. And I'm gonna continue using type of strategy like this and continue to build wealth. And if you want to invest in dividend paying stock, you have dividend paying stock like pay dividend every single month, guys. You have dividend stock like AT&T, Walmart, Target. You want to invest in business that you know is going to be around, have a great balance sheet, the fundamental is good, and you want to continue to build wealth like that. If you in the stock market just to get in and get out, you want to make sure you're in a volatile stock, guys, because you don't want to get into a stock was barely volatile, and if you see a substantial dip, you're gonna sell out and panic sell. And that's the thing that I see for this week. A lot of new investor doing, guys, panic selling, and you're gonna lose a lot of money doing that. For me, this is just my opinion. This crash that you see or correction that you see right here, guys, is just a way to push out the person who don't have a long-term mindset or very scared of investing in the stock market. The stock market, you have to look at it if you're a long-term play. So in order for generate long-term wealth. So the thing is that when you invest in the stock market, guys, invest in quality companies, do some research. If you want to invest in some spectacle play, make understand is high risk, high reward. I have some stocks out in my portfolio where it was high risk and high reward. I trim them a little bit and I invest in dividend companies because the market wouldn't give you 100 200% gain every single year, guys. It will slow down a period of time, and in that time is good buying opportunity to continue to buy up stocks and generate wealth, guys. And that's the strategy that I'm using, and you should consider using this type of strategy and you're gonna see substantial growth, guys. If you like the contents that I'm putting out, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment in the comment section, hit the notification bell for any future updates.